Holy cats, everybody. We have a storm on our hands. We'll see if this turns into a blizzard or not, but the wind gusts are incredible. I don't know if you can see that with the pine trees here. Just amazing. We've lived at this farm for a year and a half. I haven't seen anything quite like this. That blizzard last time was pretty impressive, but this is howling. And we got thunder and lightning and driving rain. Woo, lordy. We'll see what happens, but just another Friday night here at the farm. This is pretty impressive here, just to see that. Look at that. Definitely a night to hunker down. No fish fry here for the kids. But when you move out to the country, this is the kind of thing you can get. Oh, look at those trees bending. Wow. We'll see how many survive this windstorm. Yowza. Oh, jeez. Hail Thor, God of the storm. He's making a mark today. Man, those trees, I'm just watching these trees and it's like back and forth. I hope nobody drops because I don't want to clean that up. And I don't want that camper to get hit over there either. So anyway, I hope you're having a great night. Just got the Traeger up and going. We're having a celebration dinner for Ryan. And it's gonna be a great night. Just really nice. Hopefully we have power the whole time. Talk to you later, everybody. See you, bye.